Alrighty guys, this is the elevator here at the Comfort Suites here in Rensselaer, Indiana. We have a 3300 center opening doors. Here we go. It's pretty interesting. Let's go to 3. MRL cabinet. Here we go down to 1. This is pretty cool. It's a nice cab. Could be maintained better. And we're stopping up too. Yep.
Hi there. Sorry.
This is going on.
You want to come in?
That's all right, I'll wait.
It was really weird.
Why is that bell light up?
The alarm, I don't know. It's been like that for years. Doesn't run that great, to be honest. Maybe a 1. Anyway, there's the indicator. Capacity of 3,500. It does not sound great. FIGL 100. Could be better. It's pretty nice, but it could be better. And I guess that is gonna be it for me.